going there, boys? Welcome to another episode of Three Toe Customs. I'm Three Toe Joe, and as per usual, we got a little treat for you here. I call this one here an Amazon special. I think probably I might got about $55, $60 maybe tied up into this one here. We're going to be sticking on some Rocklights onto our 900S here. I think I went with this brand here this time with the RGB. And, nothing really that really swayed me more over these ones over the X-Brite brand that I installed on the Can-Am XMR for those of you that watched that video. But this time here I do have some way cooler, nicer switches with the LED rocker light up switches here. That'll match the effect here that I'm going for. So anyways, what I got was a six light kit. We'll go over that in a minute here, and we'll pull everything out of the box and give you guys a quick look. You see what we got here. The LED Rocklights by RGB. They had good reviews on Amazon, so Android, iPhone compatible. Well, we'll see what we got here. Everything so far seems to look pretty comparable to the last kit that I had installed on the Can-Am XMR. These ones here seem to only come with one style of rubber mounts. You don't get the roll cage style with them. But you do get all your nice little connectors, screw-in connectors here, screw-in style, so there's no sitting there with wiring and stuff like that. Nice little compact light, as you can tell. I don't have a very big hand. Say about a couple inches in length. No more than really about an inch and a half in width. So we'll get to installing these here. Hopefully they light up our lives. It seems like they give you quite a bit of length here. Hopefully we'll have more than enough. And one thing that I will say about the RGB kit over the X-Brite kit is they gave us a 10 amp fuse, a positive, and a ground wire. I mean, which is way beyond what we got with the X-Brite kit because they didn't give us that. And the X-Brite kit also had the quick attachment styles for the lights here that you guys will see after. They're great. I mean, you just screw these on and then you can tape them up after to make sure that extra water, and we'll look at all that. But no, nothing special. You get 6 lights and you get the wires, and then you get your mod box here. It hooks up through Bluetooth, so we'll start getting that run in. And I guess the first step's figuring out where we're gonna mount everything. What are you doing, puppy? Get out of there, you snooper. That pops off pretty easy anyways. It's 2 screws. Got the whole life behind there. Wow, that's actually really easy to get to. You actually have a really lot of room back there. Well done, players. Actually finally did something right. Look at that, lots of room to mount a box up in there. I can mount tons of stuff up in there. Jeez Louise. Nice. Oh, it's pretty open from underneath, but we'll get her up in a nice drier corner here. Oh snap, check that out. The cutouts are already there on the inside. I just have to fucking trace that out, and I got the perfect spot for 2 switches. Cocksucker. Nice. perfect fit. And the other side we're going to put our light bar, I believe. Probably use my Rocklights more often than my light bar. Hopefully this guy will slide right in. I haven't checked this side yet. We'll have a switch here just in case. There we go. Perfect. Nice. You guys can see, nice clean looking install. You can't nice fit. Yeah, really makes for a nice geez, thanks players for knowing that I was going to come along and cut your dash to install some switches. And these switches here, by the way, they're the same as they're the same size as the factory switches, so I knew that they would fit. Perfect. Nice. That's done. Okay. So as I mentioned earlier, I am going to pass my wires over there where the factory wire harness is going. So I hope I am. Oh, sure. Oh yeah, yeah. We got her. She's through. So this should be for ground. We got lots here anyways. Just leave that here for now. Power wire here. This will be for our power source. We'll run both of these wires here to our bus bar. One to our ground, one to our power, and this will feed our switch for our fog lights. Nice. Lots here anyways. Alright, so what's nice about these switches is on the back of the packet it actually comes with a little schematic, which is nice. So as this focuses, you'll get your two negatives here that you will attach on your pin number 7 and number 8. Should be easily identified. I don't know if you guys can see this well, but there they go. 7 and 8 are up at the top. They're all marked pretty well for you. So you got your 3 and 6 at the bottom and your 2 there. So it makes it pretty friggin' damn simple. I mean, a child could literally wire this up. So you got your 7 and 8, you got your negatives. Tells you right there, negatives. And your 6 and 3, they got the positives on them. That's switched to your 2, which will go to our rock lights. Man, they made that so simple. God love them. Love me a little wiring diagram like that. You learn how to read these, they make your life pretty easy. So like we said here, just show you the right one there. Yeah, follow it on the inside. 7 and 8. And these are actually nice and heavy duty. Like, I mean, it's nice rubber. It's not really super cheap like you would expect to see. And then we'll put our single guy there. I mean, it's actually nice that they went through the trouble of doing that, because it takes a good, it takes a good few minutes to sit there and prep all these little pieces of wires and shit. So thank you to them for doing that. And I'll leave a link at the bottom. Switches. Yeah. Now all we gotta do is just tie these into these and we're ready to freaking rock and roll. Sweet. Alright, so here we are now that we got everything all wired in. Pretty much we're plug and play for the wires now. We're just gonna run our wires for our plugs for the rock lights actually. So what we're gonna do here is we're going to run, we know we're running 2, one in each corner under here and one in each corner under there, one under the dash. We're going to see how bright it is when we run them under there. I think I'm going to add a third one here for the grill, so we can light up the grill area as well. I think that's going to be kind of cool actually. But yeah, no, here we go. Shouldn't take too long. Really, all our main cutting's done, so I think the rest is just a matter of running wires and zip tying them up, so should be pretty easy. To get to the back part here, we're going to remove our center console and we'll just run our wires down to there. I do believe that'll be the easiest. So here we go. Okay, so here's what's going on here. I don't normally use zip ties, but I don't feel like drilling holes inside of my new machine. And I feel like zip ties are going to hold it to this bar very nicely, so just one sec, I'll show you what I mean. Now, hopefully you guys can see that well. I'll obviously cut these ends here, but I'll be able to tighten these up nicely to the bar here. Hopefully that'll be down low enough to, high enough, I mean, to get errors. If not, maybe one day eventually I'll go up in deeper, but I mean, that should light up what I need to do. Usually these lights are pretty bright, so that's what I did. I put one here on this side like this on the tube. Zip tie to there. And I put the other one right there on the other side. Zip tie to there. Ran the wire away from anything hot. Wrapped it around the pipe a couple times, give or take. I just gotta get the front ones on. Alright, so guys, see this here? This is where I mounted the other two in the front here. This round bar. These actually are pretty nice. They fit the bar. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the rubber mount fits the pad pretty nice. I can adjust them around if I want, before I tighten them up too much here. I mean, it should be alright there. I don't see too much of an issue. Just run the wire up through there, run it across, and we'll do the same here. The other one's there already, so we'll just pull that back and we'll leave all the excess under here somewhere, and we'll zip tie everything together. Kind of lucked out actually. I'm running out of zip ties. I just found just enough to mount this one here, so still need to figure out how I'm gonna mount one under here. And well, I'll see. Maybe I can just screw this one in here. Nobody will see that anyways. Alright, just so you guys can see where I'm mounting my that's pretty cool actually. I like how the grill on here comes off fairly easy with just these two little tabs like that. It's kind of nice. Anyways, shit, I forgot to pull my wire up in there. Oh well, mount this and we'll pull our wire up in there after. It'll take a second to get her back up in there. So what you guys see is I was just going to mount this flat down like this, and it'll mount right down on this bar down here. I know it's a little dark, but you can see little holes down there. Use those, zip tie right into those, and we'll be good to go. Awesome. Okay, there you go. So, you guys can see that. Probably not. There you go. That'll work. Whatever. We'll figure out something for the wire another day, but so I get tired of picking around. Go out and play, so alright, we're gonna continue to zip our up there and get our wires zipped up safe out of place and get our pieces all tucked back in together here and go outside and test them out outside. Nice. Nope, there's our test run. It's gonna be pretty bright. They light up full underneath pretty well. Look at it here.